Welcome back to Knowledge Panel. Today we're exploring a surprising question. Can the leaves of your favorite fruits be just as healthy as the fruits themselves? Let's unlock the secrets of nature's medicine cabinet. First up, let's talk about guava leaves, a true nutritional powerhouse that's been cherished in traditional medicine for centuries. While the guava fruit often gets the spotlight for its sweet flavor and vitamin C content, the leaves themselves are packed with an impressive array of health benefits that many people are only just beginning to discover. Guava leaves are loaded with potent antioxidants, which are natural compounds that help your body fight off harmful free radicals. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and a variety of chronic diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, guava leaves help protect your cells and keep your body functioning at its best. In addition, they possess strong anti-inflammatory properties, making them especially helpful for people dealing with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Inflammation is at the root of many health problems, and by reducing it, guava leaves can help ease joint pain and swelling, supporting overall mobility and comfort. But perhaps the most exciting benefit of guava leaves is their remarkable ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Research suggests that compounds in guava leaves can improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to manage blood sugar. This is especially valuable for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Drinking guava leaf tea or using guava leaf extracts may help prevent blood sugar spikes after meals, making it a natural ally in the fight against diabetes. Some studies have even shown that regular consumption of guava leaf tea can lead to lower fasting blood sugar levels over time. Beyond blood sugar, guava leaves have a long history of use for soothing digestive issues. They contain compounds that can relax the intestines, reduce bloating, and help with common problems like diarrhea and indigestion. By protecting your gut lining and promoting healthy digestion, guava leaves support your body's ability to absorb nutrients and maintain a balanced digestive system. But the benefits don't stop there. Some research even suggests that guava leaves may help reduce stress and anxiety. The calming effect of guava leaf tea can help you unwind after a long day, supporting mental well-being and emotional balance. Imagine sipping a warm cup of guava leaf tea in the evening, letting its natural compounds help you relax and recharge. It's truly amazing how much power is packed into these humble leaves. From supporting your immune system and fighting inflammation, to balancing blood sugar and soothing your stomach, guava leaves offer a wide range of benefits that can enhance your overall health. Of course, as with any herbal remedy, it's important to use guava leaves wisely. Always check with your doctor before adding new supplements or herbal teas to your routine, especially if you're taking medication or managing a chronic health condition. Your healthcare provider can help you determine the right approach for your unique needs. So don't overlook the potential of guava leaves in your wellness routine. Whether you enjoy them as a soothing tea, a supplement, or simply appreciate their natural beauty, guava leaves are a simple yet powerful way to support your health from the inside out. Give them a try and experience the difference for yourself. Next, let's dive into the fascinating world of pomegranate leaves, a part of the plant that's often overlooked but truly deserves the spotlight. While most people are familiar with the juicy, ruby-red seeds of the pomegranate fruit, the leaves themselves are quietly packed with powerful nutrients and health benefits that might surprise you. These vibrant green leaves are absolutely bursting with antioxidants, compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. In fact, some research suggests that pomegranate leaves may contain even higher concentrations of antioxidants than the fruit itself. This means they play a crucial role in protecting your cells from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to premature aging and a variety of chronic health issues. But that's not all. Pomegranate leaves are also rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to serious conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. By incorporating pomegranate leaves into your wellness routine, you may be able to help lower your risk of these diseases, supporting both your heart and your brain health in the process. Some promising studies even suggest that extracts from pomegranate leaves can help protect your brain from age-related decline and support oral health by fighting off harmful bacteria in the mouth. This could mean fresher breath, healthier gums, and an extra layer of defense for your cognitive function as you age. It's truly incredible to think that something as simple and humble as a leaf can have such a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. Whether you use them in teas, extracts, or other herbal remedies, pomegranate leaves are a natural powerhouse worth exploring. Of course, as with any new supplement or herbal remedy, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before adding pomegranate leaves to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Your doctor can help you determine if this natural antioxidant army is right for you. Don't toss those mango leaves. They're rich in mangiferin, a powerful antioxidant. Mango leaves have natural antimicrobial properties, helping fight infections and soothe inflammation throughout the body. They may also help manage blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity. Traditional medicine uses mango leaves to support respiratory health and ease coughs and colds. Nature truly provides powerful remedies in our own backyards. Always consult your healthcare provider before adding mango leaves to your routine. Papaya leaves are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A and C to boost your immune system. They're also rich in potassium, folate, calcium, and magnesium. Papaya leaves support digestion with enzymes that break down proteins and may help reduce bloating. Early research hints at anti-cancer properties, though more studies are needed. Nature's remedies are truly impressive. As always, check with your healthcare provider before using papaya leaves. Jamun leaves, used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, are gaining recognition for their blood sugar balancing effects. They may improve insulin sensitivity and also support digestion. Jamun leaves' astringent properties can help strengthen gums and promote oral health. Nature offers versatile remedies like jamun leaves. Consult your healthcare provider before adding them to your routine. Have you ever wondered about the hidden potential of fruit leaves? While we often focus on the fruit itself, the leaves of many fruit-bearing plants are packed with unique flavors, nutrients, and even health benefits. Today, let's explore how you can harness the power of fruit leaves in your daily life, from your kitchen to your wellness routine. One of the simplest and most popular ways to use fruit leaves is by making a soothing herbal tea. Whether you have fresh or dried leaves, just place a handful in a teapot or infuser, then pour hot water over them. Let the leaves steep for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing their natural flavors and beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. The result is a gentle, aromatic tea that's both refreshing and caffeine-free. To enhance the taste, try adding a spoonful of honey or a squeeze of fresh lemon. These additions not only boost the flavor but can also add extra health benefits, making your cup of fruit leaf tea even more enjoyable. Sip it slowly, and let the calming properties of the leaves help you unwind after a long day. But fruit leaves aren't just for tea. In many cultures, they're used as a secret ingredient in cooking. For example, mango leaves are often added to Southeast Asian curries, imparting a subtle, aromatic flavor that elevates the entire dish. You can experiment with other fruit leaves too, like guava, fig, or even citrus leaves, to add a unique twist to soups, stews, and marinades. If you're looking for a more concentrated way to enjoy the benefits of fruit leaves, consider trying fruit leaf extracts or supplements. These are available in many health stores and come in various forms, such as tinctures, capsules, or powders. They're a convenient option for those who want to incorporate the goodness of fruit leaves into their wellness routine, without the need for preparation. However, it's important to be mindful when sourcing fruit leaves. Always purchase from reputable suppliers to ensure the leaves are safe, clean, and free from harmful chemicals. If you're foraging or growing your own, make sure you've correctly identified the plant and that it's suitable for consumption. When trying fruit leaves for the first time, start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. Some people may be sensitive to certain compounds found in the leaves. Gradually increase your intake as you become more comfortable, and consider keeping a journal to track your experiences and any benefits you notice. Exploring the world of fruit leaves can open up a whole new dimension of flavors and wellness possibilities. Whether you're sipping a calming tea, experimenting in the kitchen, or adding a supplement to your routine, fruit leaves are truly natural plant powerhouses waiting to be discovered. Enjoy the journey and embrace the benefits these remarkable leaves have to offer. Before you start using fruit leaves, let's talk safety. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Fruit leaves can interact with medications or cause side effects, especially if you have health conditions. Always consult your doctor before adding fruit leaves to your diet, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication. Choose organic leaves when possible and wash them thoroughly. Start with small amounts and watch for any adverse reactions. Moderation is key. Long-term or excessive use may cause side effects. Listen to your body and discontinue use if you notice any problems. That's it for today's deep dive into the world of fruit leaves. From immune support to blood sugar balance, these natural wonders have a lot to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more natural health tips from Knowledge Panel. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.